I ditched 6 different marketing tools for this one platform, and my business finally started running itself. Listen, I used to be that entrepreneur drowning in subscriptions. Email marketing here, funnel builder there, course platform somewhere else. My monthly tool budget was insane and nothing talked to each other. Then I discovered System.io and everything changed. This all-in-one platform handles my email campaigns, sales funnels, course delivery, affiliate program, and website hosting all in one place. The crazy part? It's completely free forever. No credit card needed to get started. I'm talking about a platform that's already powering over 500,000 entrepreneurs worldwide. While my competitors are still juggling multiple tools and burning cash, I'm automating everything seamlessly. My conversion rates went up, my stress went down, and my profit margins finally make sense. Stop making your business harder than it needs to be. Click the link below and grab your free System.io account right now.